I've been serving the entrepreneur community now for some time. So going back about 10 years or so, I decided to go all in on helping entrepreneurs. And so luckily, I've been able to help a lot of people. And over that time, I noticed that there's this weird phenomenon where people have the idea in their mind that they want to start an internet business. And then they learn about it, they study it, they usually end up on a couple marketers' lists, they attend some webinars, they hear lots of information, they watch YouTube videos, consume a lot of content, and it can be years of that before you put out your first successful business. That's very common. So I want you to know, if you're in that situation, I see it all the time. That's probably what most people experience. And maybe you might put your toe in the water and maybe you buy a product, a course about how to do something, or then you attend a webinar, and then you take little baby steps and put your toe in the water. And that's kind of the way it starts. And people will dabble, so to speak, in this whole idea of online entrepreneurship for years. And then finally, they take action and they consistently stick with it, power through, and produce a profitable business. That is not uncommon. So if you find yourself in that situation, then it's time to take action. It takes aggressive action. You have to just get started. If you have not started, start. Perfect way, of course, I'm a little biased, but I think you should join my 5-day challenge and I will help you get started. Join that challenge. Again, you'll see the link below to join it, and I'll help you get started. But whether you start in my 5-day challenge or not, I really encourage you just to do something. You'd be amazed. All the guys out there and gals selling courses, teaching how to start businesses online, almost all of them work. That's the weird secret hiding in plain sight. People are so concerned about picking the right business model or the right strategy when almost all of them work to build a successful business. The missing ingredient isn't some magic new tactic, it's your action. And not just starting, right? You got to get started. Even if you're unsure, you're uncertain, you should take action. Even if you make mistakes, take action. And it's by going through that process and sticking with it for the long haul. There are no magic pills. There are no magic buttons. The whole get rich quick thing is an illusion. It takes action. It takes consistent action, and you gotta stick with it. And if you have been feeling a little bit shy about being somebody who hasn't yet started their first business, that's okay. I still wanna hear from you. Please let me know in the comments if you're in that boat. If you're in that boat where you haven't yet had your first business online and you're still maybe in that dabbling stage, or maybe you haven't even started or even built your first website yet. I'd want to hear all about that. So let me know in the comments. And I want to thank everybody who has been answering my little survey. So for those of you who are not yet a PushButton AI customer, then you need to check this out. And all you need to do is go to pushbutton.ai/demo, pushbutton.ai/demo, and you can get a live one-on-one appointment to get on Zoom and see this powerful technology in action. And with PushButton AI, it will build an entire business from bottom to top. Everything you need, from your domain name to your logo to videos to audio lessons, an entire course that you can sell as your own, a 30-day email sequence that it writes. You can send a daily email for 30 days, all written by AI, and a whole lot more. It writes your sales page. If you're not sure how to write an expert sales page to convince people to buy stuff, it writes it for you. It writes a free report that you can give away to get subscribers to your list. It even creates and writes the opt-in subscription page to get people to subscribe to get the free report. And it goes on and on and on. It even writes your first 10 blog posts for you, and it can do so much more. Social media posts, ads, all of these things are done, and all you have to do is answer a couple of questions and push a button. Now, PushButton AI is not available to the public at the time of recording this video. And the only way to get in is by invite to our behind-the-scenes beta access. And during your live demo, we'll show you the technology. We'll actually work with you to actually map out an entire course that you could sell as your own. We'll outline the course with you together on the one-on-one Zoom call. And then if you so decide, if you're a good fit, you can come in, join our PushButton AI beta program, and be in business with that very course by the next day. Go to pushbutton.ai/demo to figure out if this powerful technology is right for you. You can register there. You'll book an appointment in the calendar. Be sure you show up. Our team will be very excited to meet you and show you how the tech works, outline your new course for you, and hopefully it's a fit and we can work together to launch your next business.